Evergreen. My Way. Green Earth. Book B. Chapter 4. Good Habits.
Good habit is a quality which always benefits an individual in a positive way. Let's learn about some of the good habits now. So, here are some of these. I sleep and wake up on time. I brush my teeth twice daily. I take a bath daily. I reach school on time. My mother if someone troubles or hurts me. I pack my school bag in the evening. I keep things on their proper place. I throw all the waste material into the dustbin. I hope you understand good habits quite well. I wish that you would follow these good habits in your daily routine also.